What's up, YouTube? Got some nice ribeye steaks. Wife don't like them too thick, so I'm gonna do up a little. It's gonna be an entree for her Valentine's Day. Some steaks. Got some mozzarella steak, 30-minute marinade. Gonna put it in a Ziploc bag, let it marinate. Got some onions, green peppers. Gonna put in that along with. Gonna just beat these steaks just a little bit, just a little. You know, they pretty thin, so they don't need beating too much. Not trying to make it into cube steak or nothing. How do you guys like your steak? I like mine kind of medium well. The missus, she like hers well done. So I'm gonna do these directly over the fire. Well done for. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put my, all this is straight mix. Place meat in plastic bag. Marinade sauce. You know what I mean. And just put your meat on over in there. Go ahead and stick the steaks right in. Some bad boys. They'll be nice and seasoned. We're gonna do with some backyard barbecue. Let the air out. Put me some. That back up. Just gonna go ahead and stick all of them in there. So we can get all the air out. Okay, and we're just gonna do it around like that. Hey, in a couple hours we'll take it out the fridge. I know it says 30 minutes, but I usually do it 2 to 4 hours, let it get lots of flavor. Okay, and we're gonna see what we come up with. Alright. Well, I got my ribeyes here. I let them marinate about 4 hours in the Welch's sauce. I'm gonna put them directly on the box. Get that direct heat. Want it to be nice and juicy. Nice, good meat. You can see out the tenderizer. Look at them go. Nice peppers and onions. Good color. Okay, let's let it cook on down. Let your little smoke roll, baby. Look at that juice. Look at that juice shoot down in there. That's some heat, boy. She hot. Yes, sir. Meat don't fall down in there. No, sir. Don't let that fall. That's good meat. So, we'll go ahead and take them inside, let them rest, and cut them up. Hopefully the missus will let y'all know how she like it. We gonna see. Look at that juice. Look at that. Just let them rest. Look what I have prepared for the missus for Valentine's Day. You know, just keeping it simple. Nice little steak, baked potato salad. She did, you know, the salad and baked potato. But me, I'm the grill master. So I think anything. Hey, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know some future ideas y'all want to see. Hey, I'll try to make it happen. Hey, peace out.